Hey everyone, this is Ritik. I hope you and your loved ones are doing great. Today in this video, we will be unboxing a phone case from TheWowHunt. Let's open this packet and take our phone case out. It is packed in this bubble wrap. Let me just remove it. Wow! The case is beautiful. Looks like we got a discount coupon too. Thanks TheWowHunt. Guys, use this code TheWow10 and avail yourself a nice 10% discount. Keeping this card aside, let's get our hands on the case. I can't get over the fact that how premium this case feels. The case has a high quality print with a nice matte finish. And the best part about it, that it comes with a lifetime warranty. Yes, you heard me right, a lifetime warranty. The case is made out of hard polycarbonate and will definitely protect your phone from few bumps and scratches. The case has perfectly cut sides for your volume buttons, the speakers and the lightning port, as well as the power button. The edges of the case are above the screen level and hence will protect the screen from scratches. Similarly on the back, it protects the camera and avoids any wobble on the table. The case has nice rounded corners which will avoid any scratches to your fingers while clicking the buttons. If you like this case, you can get it from TheWowHunt.com. The link is also in the description. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Thanks.